Hello everyone, greeting of the day. This is Sashi Rekha. In this video, we're going to see transmission and distribution of electrical energy. And this is diagram. So my power plant will be there, where my electricity is generated. And the generated electricity is not sufficient for transmission in a very long distance. So it is step up, right? And then it is transmitted. After transmitting, that large voltage is again stepped down by a transformer, and then it is given to your industries or domestic applications, right? So power plant will be generating electricity, that is step up, then transmitted, then it is step down, and then it is given to the domestic appliances. And this is the concept behind your transmission and distribution. So 15 to 25 kVA will be produced in the generating station. Since it can't be transmitted in a very long distance, so it is increased. Voltage is increased to 500 kilovolt. It is known as extra high voltage EHV line transmission. Transmits the generator produced energy to a distance substation. Again, in a substation, it is reduced to 500 kVA per 220 kilowatt. It is reduced. Again, each and every substation, it is reducing to 69 kilowatt. Because each and every substation from there I can able to take from for my applications where I want. And this is a typical example how power station is producing the electricity and how it is distributed. And here transformer is not coming into account. This is a basic power transmission. It is made from a power transmission station to the power lines and as well and given to your house. So voltage is reduced to 12 kV at distribution stations. Always in distribution stations it is reduced and it is given to overhead or underground system. And distribution transformer reduces voltage to 230. This is our desirable voltage, 230 volts. So that is produced and it is given to the applications where the industries or homes. So this is a single line diagram of your AC power. So generating session will be there. This is primary transmission, secondary transmission, primary distribution, secondary distribution. In this one, generating station, here I am going to have step up. Because from the generating station, what I am getting, it is not sufficient to transmit in a long distance. So this I am stepping up. Again it is step down and it is given to the receiving station, secondary. So 33 kV, 132 or 32 kilowatt, it is getting reduced. Voltage is stepped down to 33 kV or kilovolt or 66 kilovolt. Then again it is given to the distribution station, primary distribution station. Again it is it will be having 33 kV or 11 kV. Some of the industries will consume from here only because they will be dealing with the heavy load. So directly they will be giving to the industrial consumers. The kV will be given to the industries. And others, if you are going to see from primary distribution, is going to go for distribution transformers, where again my power is getting step down, means it is reduced and it is given. This is secondary distribution where it is converted to 230 volt or our desired voltage. Thank you.